going for oneness. We are the ones going for oneness. That's where's the deep of self-fathomless, and like the ends of time measureless, finding them together at night. So bright we do it in thought. We are the ones going for oneness. We are the ones going for oneness.
The famous British historian Arnold Toynbee inferred, all that has a Western beginning must have an Indian ending. Let's be the new hope of India.
The event will certainly help in motivating them to become creative, not only creative but also take interest into some of these important aspects of our life.
Maharshi Aurobindo had declared, India, the ancient mother, is waiting to be reborn. Let that be our aspiration too. See you at Think India.
I think the student will get a flavor of what kind of things are there for them to achieve in life. They are very much conditioned by a few things which they observe and assimilate. But life is more than that. And I think this kind of an opportunity for the student is the best way to send down that message. Think India, come Bangalore.
Fight poverty, fight terrorism.
Let us fight for India.
I will be at Think India, would you?
Let the creative flame inspire us, along with the inner drive and purpose, leaping into higher realms of being, brightening into radiant glow of feeling. We are the ones going for oneness. We are the ones going for oneness.
Today people have a very negative perception when the term spirituality is used. It is very important for people to come to conventions like these and realize how closely linked spirituality is with the practical issues that we face today.
Today technology and culture have to go hand in hand. We have to think of India first.
Namaste to all of you young people. While we think global in the mind, we think Vande Mataram in the heart, and therefore in this world of unequals, go ahead as Indians and conquer the world as Indians. Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad always comes to lead us to the right path whenever we are lost. And Think India is here as a convention to help us. I am going to be part of this convention. I want you to be part of this convention too.
ಭವಿಷ್ಯದ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಕನಸುಗಳು ದಾರಿದೀಪಗಳು ತೋರುವು ನನಸಿನ ಕಡೆಗೆ. We are the ones going for oneness. We are the ones going for oneness.
I will get the acquaintance, the thinking of multiple visions of various people who are thinking only one goal as the development of our country, and inspire myself to contribute for the development of the society.
Can spirituality and technology go hand in hand? Join me at Think India and experience it.
My dear young brothers and sisters of the country, how to make India a pride of the world community. If that has to happen, it will happen only with the help of the young hearts, young minds and young shoulders of India, that is Bharat. Making this a reality is an ensuing convention called Think India during January 2007 in Bangalore. Let us make a note that we participate in great number in this Think India convention.
Arise, awake, let's not be quiet. Prepare yourselves to reach the new heights.